Good morning. Today's the 16th of January, 2020. Uh, Today, I'm going to discuss a little bit about trade shows internationally. One of the great things about being here locally in Europe is that I'm able to very easily travel to trade shows here um, to exhibit. This is in the US. Meeting with security integrators is highly accelerated by working trade shows, by going to trade shows, having a booth at trade shows. Um, it's very productive, and it's very, I don't want to say lucrative, but it provides a huge number of the leads we get for our business. And this is something that we've done for the entirety of my company's business. So one of the great things is being here. I'm on the same time zone as the people that are organizing the trade show, which makes it so much easier to arrange things. I've also been able to do a number of trade shows last minute, and that allows us to get some really good prices. We don't, since we're doing handheld mustering solutions, we basically just need a super small booth. We need a handheld device, a little bit of table space, maybe a seat or two, and a place for our banners. So traveling and setup for the trade shows is super easy for us. We show up, we place the banners, we make sure all of the handheld badge readers work, and the app is visible. And there's one or two of us that are here doing running the trade show. And I've been super fortunate to hire. I hired an agency for the first trade show we did, and the person that I hired for that was so good and so proactive. I actually hired her as an employee, or not as an employee, but as an independent contractor working for Telarus. And so now any trade shows, I can go, she can go, and it's worked really well. So in terms of organizing these trade shows, it happens much easier. If a trade show comes up that I didn't know about, I can show up and I can display this. If things change, it's pretty easy because I'm right here, and it's far cheaper. I have a trade show that I'm going to in Dubai, which obviously isn't Europe, but for the cost of what it would have cost me to get there by myself, I can get both myself and my associate to help work that trade show. We have a trade show in Birmingham, and the flight of that is stupidly cheap. It's like $100 each way, maybe less, for us to fly there. One thing that is a bit surprising are baggage fees. Baggage fees are huge here, and sometimes they can dwarf your ticket price. So when I have baggage, you make sure you do it early, because those baggage fees can really hit you. And sometimes, depending on the cost of the cost of the baggage and the cost of just for maybe a 3 meter by 3 meter booth, which would be a 10 by 10 booth, 10 foot by 10 foot booth in the States, for the baggage fees of getting your banners to and from the show, you might be able to just get something pre-done in a pop-up booth. So you might consider that as well. But in terms of cost, I have been able to do probably 5 trade shows so far, and I think I'm going to have another 4 more trade shows. Be hugely beneficial to Telarus in terms of getting more security integrators, and just that might be the value of what I'm doing here in Europe. So that's it for now. I hope you're doing well, and I hope these little video things are helpful to somebody at some point. All right, take care. Bye-bye.